I'm Cllr James Lewis, leader of Leeds City Council. I just wanted to say a few brief words at this event. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody from the David Oluwale Memorial Association for the work they've done to get to this point, and the Civic Trust and the council departments that have been involved in bringing this forward and will continue to work in developing the statue on this site. I'm touched to be here today. I get invited to quite a few blue plaque openings, unveilings and things like that. And today has really touched me because sometimes we remember the things that are good about the city and make us feel good about the city, such as the building behind us where Leeds United were formed. Sometimes we celebrate the history of different communities in the city. I unveiled a plaque on the New Penny just over there somewhere to mark the history of the LGBT community in Leeds. But sometimes the remembrance of the city's history has to cover the bits that don't make us feel good, that challenge us, that make us look back at things that have happened and challenge those of us involved in public services today to make sure we do better than has happened in the past. And today is a really important occasion, and I think it is right that as part of the history of the city we remember the black marks as well as remembering the celebrations. And the history of David Oluwale is been a stain on the city, and it is something that we shouldn't brush away. It's something that we should bring forward as a memorial, as a marker of what we can do better and how we can all be better in the way we serve this city. We will continue to do that, those of us who are elected, those of us that work in public services, we will continue to do that as we move forward. And I hope today is part of marking that. You know, if you came to this part of the city 5 years ago, you wouldn't recognise it. You certainly wouldn't recognise it from 50 years ago. The city is developing and changing, but that doesn't mean we shouldn't continue to remember the city's history. And like you say, the difficult bits, not just the easy bits and the celebratory bits. So thank you to everybody that's been involved in bringing this forward, and I look forward to continuing to work on this vital work. Thank you.